Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a comparison between my beloved Revlon One Step hairdryer and the brand new Hot Tools One Step hairdryer. We're going to see which one's better and is it worth the extra $20. First, I washed and prepped my hair with TLW products, shampoo and conditioner, and blow dry serum. Next, I pre-dried my hair about 70%. Make sure you check out my previous blow dry video so you know why I pre-dry the hair and how to do it. So first off, the box is really beautiful and so is the tool. It just looks so high-end and so pretty. I'm really impressed with it. So I'm going to section off the top of my hair and I'm going to blow dry one side with the Revlon and then I'm going to blow dry the other side with the Hot Tools, and we're going to see how they compare. So I'm going to start with the Revlon and I'm going to turn both products all the way on high. I'm going to just let you hear the noise of it just so you can see the sound difference of the two. But I am so in love with the Revlon, so it's going to be really hard to convince me to use another tool. And so I'm done with the first section. I love that I'm able to take really big pieces. I have pretty curly, thick hair. It looks super smooth and the ends look amazing too. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the Hot Tools. So again, I'm going to put it on high. First thing I noticed right off the bat is I really do like the bristles of this because I'm able to get a lot of grip when I'm trying to smooth out my hair. And if you have curly hair or if you have really frizzy texture hair like I do, it's important that you get some tension on the brush. It's a lot harder to do with the Revlon. The ends kind of fall out a little bit as you're using the Revlon, but with these bristles it seems to have that stronger tension, but it also doesn't pull the hair. So you have that nice tension, but it's still smooth going through the hair and it doesn't feel like it's pulling, which is really nice. So I am really impressed with it. So far, it's kind of like the Revlon, except for maybe a little bit better and prettier. So far, I don't notice a difference in smoothness. They both seem to make the hair incredibly soft, both the Revlon and the Hot Tools. I know the Hot Tools brand has a, I think, tourmaline surface that's infused with kohl, but I don't really notice the difference except for it sounds really cool. And then also I don't notice a difference between speed. They both seem to dry the hair and smooth the hair in exactly the same amount of time. Also, I'll make sure to list all the specs of both the products you can compare in the description as well. But as you can see, very smooth, just like the Revlon One Step. Also, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments if you notice that any one side or any tool did a better job, if it's smoother or shinier than the other on one side. Alright, so I'm going to continue with the Revlon on my left side or your right side, and I'm going to continue using the Hot Tools on the other side. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like, share with your friends, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know about new videos coming out, which I post weekly. So one thing I noticed when switching back to the Revlon is how much I didn't realize I need that tension on the ends because the ends just fall out so easily. If you could see, like, it's pulling and then it just releases really quick. That's because I'm not getting a lot of tension on the ends. So in order to combat that, I just wrap the hair around a few times just to make it as tight as possible. But I will say that the Hot Tools does make it a lot easier to have tension on the ends without pulling the hair. And that is definitely a plus for me because basically the ends are the most important part of the blow dry. Both tools are super easy to use. They feel really comfortable in the hand. I really love the big handle because it doesn't put any pressure on my wrist. And then I also really like how it's an oval shape and you could just get so much hair in one. I would say with the Hot Tools, you can actually do a lot more hair at one time because you're able to get more tension on the hair. That's why tension is just so incredibly important. It just has so many added benefits. They both have a really good size finger grip so you can hang on to the ends while you are maneuvering the hairbrush without burning yourself, which is great. I will make sure to link both of these products and all of the products that I use in this tutorial down below if you're interested in trying any of these things out. The price point between the two is about $20. I paid about $80 for the Hot Tools and I paid $60 for the Revlon. Sometimes the Revlon goes on sale and it's actually listed for even lower. So this is what I would say about the two. If you're looking for just luxury and pretty design, just go with the Hot Tools. I think it's worth the extra $20 because you do have a few of those key added benefits that are incredible. However, the Revlon is still an amazing tool, and for people who don't want to spend the extra $20, it's a fantastic option and it's never going to let you down. It still works absolutely amazing. Don't forget to let me know which tool you guys think did a better job in the comments below. And also let me know if you've tried either of these tools and what you think about them. I'm going to finish off by just connecting everything with the Hot Tools, and I'm going to be using the cool setting to just make sure that everything sets and stays as long as possible. But my life is forever changed because of the one-step hair dryer, especially because I have curly, frizzy hair. It's like I never want to wear it natural anymore because it's just so fun to do and so easy. If you're a stylist or if you are somebody who has to round brush your hair all the time, you know how amazing this is. But both of them are fantastic tools. The Hot Tools is definitely a little bit more luxury and has some added benefits, but either one is going to get the job done and they're both still absolutely amazing. So I always have really dry ends, and no, it's not from using this blow dryer. I just do a lot of stuff to my hair, so my ends are kind of dry. So I like to use this dry oil from TLW products, which I will link below, but it just adds like a little bit of shine and it makes my ends look a lot smoother. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.